In this video, we'll show you how to use sample homes, how to order interactive visualizations of a property, and how to order 3D models and measurements. To start, create an account and make sure you're logged in. This will let you save your designs and make sure they're available when you come back. For a quick start, you can look at our gallery of sample homes. For a more customized experience, enter the address and select an image of the home with Street View. Then, submit the image to have it expertly prepared by our visualization team, accounting for all shadows, perspective, scale, and obstructions in front of the house. You can also add measurements and an interactive 3D model to your order, or order the 3D model and measurements as a standalone product. When your 3D model and measurements order is complete, you will receive an email with your project link. Click it to start designing the 3D model of the property, and switch to Measurements view to see all of the measurements. You can also access a full report that contains a detailed summary of the property measurements, such as roof squares, slope, valleys, ridges, and other important measurements. This report can be printed and shared easily. Your all-in-one solution for home design and measurement is just a click away.